Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the camera app and choosing Photo or Pro mode. This gives stable exposure control. Once done, tap the 1x marker and use the pinch or on-screen zoom slider to jump toward 100x. This engages the digital telephoto stack. Make sure grid and HDR are enabled so you can frame accurately and preserve highlights. You want a steady base. Hold the phone with both hands and tuck your elbows to reduce shake before you attempt extreme zoom. Next, lock exposure and focus. Tap and hold on your subject until AE/AF lock appears, because at 100x the camera struggles to refocus automatically. Then slowly increase zoom to 100x. Do not rush, because digital zoom crops heavily and any motion ruins detail. If light is low, switch to night mode or mount the phone on a small tripod and use a short timer to avoid movement from pressing the shutter. This combination, to finish, press the shutter using a timer or burst to increase your chance of a clean frame. You will roll the dice less often that way. If the image looks noisy or soft, reduce zoom to 50/70x and crop in post. This often yields a cleaner result because less digital amplification is applied. If you see lag or weird artifacts, close and reopen the camera app or restart the phone. Clearing camera cache can also fix persistent performance glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.